See a movie? Watch a movie? What's the difference? Most English learners learn that we say watch a movie when we are talking about watching a movie at home, and we only say see a movie when we are talking about going to the cinema. And although this is true in some situations, it is not true in every situation. So today, I'm going to help you understand when this is true and when this is not true. First things first, it is true that when we are talking about going to the cinema, we usually say see a movie, not watch a movie. For example, if you want to invite someone to go to the cinema with you, you would ask, would you like to see a movie with me? Not, would you like to watch a movie with me? So, when making invitations, discussing plans, or other things like that, yes, see a movie basically means go to the cinema. And when we talk about watching a movie on a TV, laptop, tablet, or phone, we usually say watch a movie, not see a movie. For example, if you are at home with a friend or family member and you see that there is a movie on TV, you would ask, do you want to watch this? Not, do you want to see this? However, when we are talking about experiences, we usually use see a movie, even when we are not talking about going to the cinema. For example, if someone asks you, have you ever seen this movie before? What they are really asking is, do you know everything that happens in this movie? It's not about going to the cinema. Or, this is the best movie that I have ever seen. Again, it has the word see in it, but it's not about going to the cinema. In those examples, you could use watch and people would understand you, but see is much more common and much more natural sounding. So, when talking about watching a movie on a TV, laptop, phone, or tablet, we usually say watch a movie. And when talking about going to the cinema, we usually say see a movie. But we also use see to talk about our experiences with movies, even when we are not talking about going to the cinema.